Today we will discuss about the difference between ionic bond and covalent bond. So let us see what is the difference between ionic bond and covalent bond. The major difference between ionic bond is that it is formed by the complete transfer of electron from one element to another. So it occurs due to complete transfer of electron. Whereas in covalent bond there occurs sharing of the electron. So in covalent bond there occurs sharing of the electrons. Then in this case the ionic bond, it is formed between a metal and a non-metal. Formed between a metal and a non-metal. Whereas the covalent bond is formed between two non-metals. Then the ionic bond, the compounds which are formed is ionic compound and they are soluble in water. Whereas with covalent bond, covalent compounds are formed and they are not soluble in water. Then the solution of the ionic compounds conduct electricity because in the solution they dissociate into ions, so they conduct electricity, whereas covalent compounds does not conduct electricity. Example of ionic compounds are NaCl, MgCl2, and example of covalent compounds are CO2, H2O, etc. So these are the major differences between the ionic bonds as well as covalent bonds. Thank you.